quick unboxing muna tayo. Ito yung pinahook sa atin ni Boss Moises Sibayan. Size 9. Size 9 si Bossing. Authentication card from Sneaker Dunk. Ito yung pinakuha ni Boss J1 Bleach Coral. Ayan siya. Black tag, Japan release. Extra lace, and yung extra lace nya. Tsaka Sneaker Dunk tag, verified authentic. Ito yung kabila. Please note, natural crack seen on the upper is normal due to the dome crackle ink application. Okay. So, ito yung kay Boss Moises. Shoutout la kay Moises from La Union. Thank you dito, boss.